Let's delve into the nuances of I want to, I need to, and I have to in Hiligaynon, exploring their specific meanings and usage with examples. These concepts are expressed through different grammatical structures and auxiliary verbs, each carrying a distinct weight of volition, necessity, or obligation. The first one is I want to, or in Hiligaynon you say gusto ko or luyag ko. Gusto ko, luyag ko. So this expresses desire or volition. The first pattern is gusto ko plus verb. So this is the more common way to say I want to. Example, gusto ko magkaon sang adobo. I want to eat adobo. Gusto ko magkaon sang adobo. Kaon is eat and then adobo is the food. Gusto ko magkadto sa Baguio. Gusto ko magkadto sa Baguio. So kadto is to go and then Baguio is a city. A city up in the mountains, so it's a good place to visit when it's summertime, I think. Yes. I visited there like twice and it's very nice. Gusto ko magkadto sa Baguio. Gusto ko matun-an maghambal sang Hiligaynon. That means I want to learn how to speak Hiligaynon. Gusto ko matun-an maghambal sang Hiligaynon. Another pattern that you can use is luyag ko plus the verb. Luyag ko plus the verb. Luyag is like in or want. Yes, in English. So this is a slightly more formal way, similar to nais ko in Tagalog or Filipino, but less commonly used in everyday conversation. Luyag ko ipabutyag ang akon balatyagon. I want to express my feelings. Luyag ko ipabutyag ang akon balatyagon. Luyag ko makabulig sa mga nagakinahanglan. Luyag ko makabulig sa mga nagakinahanglan. That means I want to help those in need. Luyag ko makabulig sa mga nagakinahanglan. The second one is I need to or kinahanglan ko. Kinahanglan ko. This expresses necessity. Kinahanglan ko. So the template here is kinahanglan ko plus the verb, and this is the standard way to express I need to. Let us have the following example sentences. Kinahanglan ko magtulog sing temprano. That means I need to sleep early. Tulog is sleep and temprano is early. Kinahanglan ko magtulog sing temprano. Kinahanglan ko magtuon para sa exam. Kinahanglan ko magtuon para sa exam. I need to study for the exam. So tuon is study, exam is exam. Kinahanglan ko magtuon para sa exam. Kinahanglan ko magbakal sang bugas. I need to buy rice. Kinahanglan ko magbakal sang bugas. Bakal is buy and then bugas is rice. Kinahanglan ko magbakal sang bugas. Kinahanglan ko mag-obra para sa akon pamilya. I need to work for my family. Kinahanglan ko mag-obra or magtrabaho para sa akon pamilya. Kinahanglan ko magpakonsulta sa doktor. Kinahanglan ko magpakonsulta. Kinahanglan ko magpakonsulta sa doktor. I need to see a doctor. Konsulta is consult and then a doctor is a doctor. Kinahanglan ko magkadto sa trabaho. That means I need to go to work. I have to go to work. Kinahanglan ko magkadto sa trabaho. Kinahanglan ko bayaran ang akon utang. Kinahanglan ko bayaran or baydan ang akon utang. I have to pay my debt. Kinahanglan ko bayran or bayaran or baydan ang akon utang. The last one is I have to or dapat ko. Dapat ko. So, dapat ko plus the verb. So, this is a way to express I have to and often implying a moral or expected obligation. Dapat translates to should or ought to, but in this context, it functions similarly to have to. Dapat ko. Let us have the following example sentences. Dapat kubuligan ang akon mga ginikanan. Dapat kubuligan ang akon mga ginikanan. That means I need to or I have to help my parents. Bulig means to help. Akon is my or mine. And then ginikanan are parents. Ginikanan is a parent. Mga ginikanan are, it refers to parents. So mga is like the plural marker. Dapat ko buligan ang akon mga ginikanan. Dapat ko ini tinluan. That means I need to clean this. Tinlo is like clean. Ini is this. Dapat ko ini tinluan. Dapat ko ini tinluan. Here are the key differences and nuances in Hiligaynon. So gusto or luyag talks about desire. Kinahanglan talks about necessity. And then dapat talks about obligation. So just like in Filipino, understanding these distinctions is vital for clear communication in Hiligaynon. Using the correct form will accurately convey the level of volition, necessity, or obligation. While there are some overlaps in usage, paying attention to these nuances will make your Hiligaynon sound more natural and precise.